Hi viewers, hi everyone. Thank you for watching our My Indian Mathematics channel. And today's topic is square root of non-square numbers. Square root of non-square numbers. Actually, we know that what are the square numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 26, 36, 49. And next to 64 and like that so on. These are square numbers. Okay, non-square numbers except these numbers are all non-square numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, dash dash dash. These are non-square numbers. So how we can find the square root of these numbers? For example, square root of 4 we can write easily. 2 square root of 9, 3 square root of 1, 1 square root of 16, 4, and we can write the answer easily. Square root of square numbers. But how we can find the square root of non-square numbers in short method? That means approximate value. How we can find that in decimal form. Okay. For example, if I'm taking one example, square root 29. Square root 29 I'm taking. So it's the answer. That means it's the answer approximately. It is approximately equal to 5 plus 4 by 10. Approximately equal to 5 plus this value 0.4, and approximately it is equal to 5.4. This is the answer. Directly we can write after practicing some problems we can write this step directly. That means we can find square root of non-square numbers in one step or one line. Okay, uh, how we can find like this? Okay, now I can explain now. Okay, here you take any non-square numbers. Just you have to keep in your mind one formula, that is square root of x plus or minus y is equal to square root of x plus or minus y by 2 square root x. This is the formula. You keep in your mind this formula. Square root of x plus or minus y is equal to root x plus or minus y by 2 root x. Okay, here two symbols came, plus or minus. If here plus, here will come plus. If here minus, and here also will come minus. Okay, that means take this number only. Now square root of 29. First, this square root 29 should write in this form, x plus y, and such that here x is a perfect square. Perfect square. Okay, perfect square means 1, 4, next to 9, like that. We have to take. Use here 29, we should write in the form of x plus y or x minus y. This 29 should write as x plus y or x minus y. Here I am writing this 29, 25 plus 4. 25 plus 4, 29. The square root or idea is where 25, the first number is a perfect square. 25 is a perfect square. Square root of 25, we know that is 5. Okay. So now it is in the form of square root of x plus y, and then it is equal to, we should write in this formula. That means square root 25 plus 4 here y is equal to 4, that's why 4 by 2 into square root 25. And then square root 25 value is 5 and plus write as it is. Then 4 by 2 square root of 25, 2 into 5. It is equal to 5 plus 4 by 2 5 is 10. So it is equal to 5 plus 0.4. 4 by 10 is 0.4 and it is equal to 5.4, and it is not perfectly equal, it is approximately equal only, approximately equal. Okay, so the square root of 29 is approximately equal to 5.4. 5.4. Let us take one more example, that is 7, or root 7. Square root 7. Square root 7 we can write as 9 minus 2, where 9 is a perfect square and minus 2, 9 minus 2 is 7. The square root write as is, and it is equal to, you write it in the form of this one, it is approximately equal to root x. That means where x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 2. That's why square root 9 and minus, minus there, minus write as it is, and y by, that means 2 by 2 square root 9. It is approximately equal to, this is 3 minus, and this 2 1 there, 2 1 there get cancelled, and 1 by 1 into square root 9, this is 3, 1 by 3. So approximately equal to 3 minus 1 by 3 value is 0.3333 dash dash dash. Like that, I am taking here only 2 decimal places. And approximately it is equal to 3 minus this one. That means 2.00 minus 0.33. Okay. So borrowing 10, then we can get here 10 minus 3, 7, and here 9, here 6, this is 2. So 2.67 is the answer. That's it. Very simple method. Let us take another example. How it works for big numbers. Square root 106 I am taking. Square root 106. This 106, 106 can be written as x plus y or x minus y. Okay. So it is equal to, where x is a perfect square. So this one we can write as 100 plus 6. Square root write as it is. And then should write this one in the form this one. It is equal, it is approximately equal to square root 100 plus, here place the place, and 6 by, here y by this one. That means y is equal to 6. That's why 6 by 2 into square root 100. So it is approximately equal to, this is 10. Square root 100 value is 10, and plus 6, 2 1 ja, and 2 3 ja 6. So 3 by square root 100 value is 10. 10 into 1, 10. So 10 plus here 0.3, its value is 0.3. So 10.3 is the answer. Approximate value of square root 106 is 10.3. So this is the short method, and this method is useful to every competitive examination, and it reduces our time, valuable time. Okay, so everyone can use, but you should practice some problems, then after we can write this answer directly this step. In one step only we can write this one. Okay, thank you everyone. If you like this video, you subscribe our channel, and also click on the bell symbol to receive new updates. Also you share your friends, you share to your friends and also relatives. Thank you everyone.